Are you trying to decide between Fidelity Investments and Webull? You are not alone. Many people wonder which platform is better for their investing needs. In this video, we'll compare these two popular investment tools. Both offer ways to trade stocks, but they each have unique features. Fidelity Investments is a well established company. They provide a full range of services. You can trade stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Fidelity is known for its research tools and retirement accounts. It's a great choice for long term investors. On the other hand, Webull is newer and focuses on mobile trading. It's designed for active traders who want real time data. Webull offers commission free trading and advanced charting tools. It's perfect for those who want a more hands on approach. Now, let's look at the key differences. Fidelity has a broader range of investment options. It's better for retirement planning. Webull is more suited for day traders and those who prefer a tech savvy platform. When it comes to features, Fidelity shines with its educational resources and customer support. Webull excels in its user friendly app and customizable interface. Both platforms have mobile apps, but Webull's is more intuitive for quick trades. In terms of pricing, both offer commission free trades. However, Fidelity may have fees for certain services, while Webull keeps things simple. So, which one should you choose? If you looking for a comprehensive investment experience, Fidelity is the way to go. But if you want a sleek, fast platform for active trading, Webull might be the better option for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.